Just a quick video to take you through a Queensland title search. And you can see here that the title reference, this should be the title that's on the contract that you sign. And remember before I was saying that they check your identity 19 times before they put you under anaesthetic in the hospital. That's to confirm that you really are who they think you are. This is to confirm that this property really is what you think it is. And so you can see that this guy owns it, and the only encumbrance that's on here is a mortgage to Metway Bank that has been in place since 1992. Of course, it's never going to say any amounts of that. And so basically it's just a check. Make sure that there'll be other encumbrances on there. Perhaps there'll be an easement on there and it'll say that the local council has got an easement on there or whatever. This document can be provided by the selling agent, or it can be provided by your conveyancer. But it's important that that is the property that you're purchasing. You're not purchasing someone else's home. You're purchasing the one that you want to buy. All right, that's good. Thank you.